Alright guys, this is the final disconnect. I messed it up last minute. So these things, instead of pushing them, I use the little flats here and prime it this way and snap this part here. But this is what it is, and this is what I was looking for, so I can loosen these guys here, and I can get this plug out, and I can disconnect these wires that goes to the battery. These are the one that connects the entire battery to give you the positive and negative. This one tied into the big fuse that was here, sitting here, and that's it. We're all done. All done. Like I said, it's another bus bar. You guys saw my video on that with the Chrysler Pacifica. I use those, and this is all finished. And I had the old cable too for this one the last time. See that? I still have that. So now that gives me a positive and negative cable. And this guy, look, the bus bar is right there. All useful. And get this guy right here out. And get this guy right here out. I think this is the relay or that responsible for controlling the charge that goes to and send the voltage. If you're curious to know, there's a serial number or whatever. And this Panasonic, can give you another glance here. You can see the Panasonic. So all done, and I'm just gonna take this Bible out. Look at that, it's all done. I think it's just like a relay in here. Simple things here, 2 relays here. So I'm gonna put this one back here and close it. That's it. So this is the only pin I snapped right here. Just like this, supposed to be a solid one, and I snapped that one. So it's out. So I don't have to worry about it. I can sell these ones if I want to, or maybe I can put them on a giveaway. Who really interested, I can put make a giveaway video on these guys. You know, if someone interested, stay tuned. So this guy is gonna be out now. Look at that, it's out, totally out. Good, we are done. Bye, subscribe and share. Alright guys, this is the completion of my Nissan Leaf, and these are the only part, or all the parts I took from the Nissan Leaf. This comprises all the connections and all the interconnect BMSs. You can see it's the BMS right here, and that's the big relay. That's the main disconnect with like a fuse like the recent one, and this is the old one, 2011 Nissan Leaf. This is a 2015, and there's a bar, crossbar, middle, BMS cables, plugins, a bowl of screws, nuts and bolts. These are the things that sit in the center to hold this guy right here, and bus bars. If you remember, I have this one, a Chrysler Pacifica, already mounted there to interconnect my batteries. I have one of these as well. This is the main disconnect plug that goes right away like this. This one, I might keep one of them. I might keep one of these. I'm gonna use that in the future to mount my maybe disconnects It's a quick disconnect. It's a cool one. I'll give these ones away, and this part, someone need something, let me know. These are really heavy stuff right here. Really, I got 2 of them. I don't know, I might probably make a giveaway, but I don't know if I have time even to sell them. I'll just probably give them away. All the tools I worked with right there. All left is a big case of that thing. It's gonna go in the trash, recycle. Really well polished, slippery, really waterproof. All this one, they seal the water sealant very well. All these guys, really nice. It's nice to put a garden here, grow some plants in your backyard. Oh, here is a seal for the case. I'm gonna take this one off. You know, yeah, I'm not gonna throw this. I'm gonna take it off. So it's a good seal. It's a good seal right here. So just to show you the completion of the entire process, and this is the entire rubber seal. Look at it. So these are all the remaining parts. These are all the parts. See, they even put a sealant here on the lip of the thing, and this is the only battery left now. It's all loosened up. You just have to take some muscles to take it off and set it, and this is how I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna disconnect that. Stay tuned for that video. It's gonna stay like that, and these are all. Oh, there's some few screws here. I'm gonna take this bracket. I might probably mount that relay on it. I'm gonna take this one and mount the relay on it. Okay, every bolt and nut and everything is out. It's been utilized. And I'm gonna take this guy out. I might do that, or dump the entire thing in the trash like this, so we can recycle it. Okay, some kind of heavy duty bolt. Oh, I probably need this bolt. I'll take it off. I'll take it. Yep, I'll take it. So 2 of them, and 1 in the thing right there. If you go to the store and try to look for hardware, they're really expensive. So I'm not joking with this. I recycle everything for myself. All right, thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Here are the modules. Look like this thing is kind of bulging right there. Trying to get this thing off there before they collapse. These are all the batteries. This is what Nissan already set up. Japanese from Japan. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Like and subscribe. Bye.